Good afternoon, everyone. It's Carol here from Aquahaven747.com. In today's video, I'd like to share with you some budget-friendly tips to reorganize the linen closet. If that's something that interests you, please keep watching and I'll see you at the end. So here is my linen closet. And it's been quite a while since I've gone through it and reorganized. As you can see here, it's really not that bad. I do have a few new items I've just kind of shoved in there. Didn't put the toilet paper away right. But I am looking at getting set up for a new year for a bed and breakfast. And I thought it would be probably a really good idea to go through all my extra sheets and things, see what kind of condition they're in, if I need to buy new ones, or, just, see what I have basically. And same with supplies. I do have another spot where I keep extra supplies like shampoo and stuff, but then I have more back stock of stuff right here. So I've got everything emptied out of here, wiped down all the shelves, vacuumed, and washed the floor there. And I've just got everything here and in my bedroom over here, and everything's piled up on my bed. Here are a few things I decided to declutter. I've got an electric blanket here, which was hardly used, and this really nice soft pillow, but it's too big for my bed, and 2 sets of sheets. I think I might try and sell the electric blanket, and but the other things will probably just give away. Now these white sheets are actually pretty new, but they're very thin, so I don't really like them. So I'm going to let those go. And this set here, the bottom sheet especially, is really faded, so I thought I'd let those go. And I also moved some things that I'm not using all the time down into my storage room, like the extra curtains and shower curtains and things like that. So I moved those into storage so they'll be out of the way, and the things in my linen closet will be the things that I need for my bed and breakfast or my own personal use. I've decided to wash all of my sheets here. All these white sheets, they are clean, but some of them are looking a little gray, and I think I'm going to put some bleach in with them, try and freshen them up, and then I will examine them thoroughly and see if I can keep them all, or there's probably some that I will be letting go of. I got these baskets on Facebook Marketplace for free, and I thought they would be great to use in the linen closet. Haven't decided if I want to use them like this or if I want to paint them. They were obviously drawers that had come out of some type of a cabinet, but I thought they would be perfect for that. So I finished doing the first coat on there, a little bit of primer. I don't necessarily want these to end up like a solid white. I don't mind a little bit of the brownish color coming through. But I'll have to see how it looks when it's dry. Alrighty, so here I have my linen closet all cleaned out and reorganized. And as you can see, I have painted these baskets out and reorganized things so that they had some kind of balance or order in them. The baskets at the top, you can still see some of the natural color. This is the way they were when I bought them. So I don't mind that these ones are not perfectly white, and you can still see a little bit of the brown underneath. But up here, I've got my extra pillows there. In this one, I have an extra quilt and pillow shams and another pillow back there too. Here I have extra duvet covers and the shams that go with them. Quilts here, the shams that go with them here. First aid kit here, and in here I have table things, table linens, placemats, that type of thing that I'm not using all the time, so they don't need to be front and center. Now towels and sheets I'll be using all the time. Now these are my personal towels. I've got a couple of beach towels in the back, a couple extra towels here. These white sheets are for my bed and breakfast. And I did decide to separate the tops from the bottoms. I have 3 extra top sheets and 4 extra bottom sheets. I had previously already decluttered, I guess you want to say that I threw out the top sheet that had got stained, and I could not get it out, even with bleach. So I don't know what it was, if it was oil or glue or what the heck it was, but it would not come out. Anyway, so on this shelf here, I've got extra hair products, shampoo, conditioner, extra stuff for hair. I put all the white pillowcases for the bed and breakfast right here, plus the one set that goes with the pattern set there. I like to have the pattern set for the pull-out couches, because then I know it's not to go on the regular bed. I did have another patterned sheet you might have noticed from the beginning, but they were worn out, they were getting pretty worn, so I'm letting those go. And I do have room for more when I get around to buying new stuff, but I don't have to rush out. It's not an urgent need right now, but eventually I know when I'm shopping that if I happen to find a good deal on some, I do need another pair of sheets or another set of sheets for the other pullout. Although, to be totally honest, I very seldom, if ever, have people in both units that need their pull-out couches at the same time. So anyway, so I also have this little bin with hand towels and extra pillowcases. These are my personal ones, they're not bed and breakfast. And in this bin, I've got a few extra shower curtain liners, and periodically end up having to change that out. I did bring the plunger back up here, so it's beside the bathroom. Haven't ever needed it, but you never know. I have my steam cleaner here for upholstery and area rugs, and those 2 jugs there are the cleaners for it. I tried to kind of put things together in categories. So I've got my Dr. Ho thing down here. Another thing of Epsom salts here. I've got Epsom salts up there. Foot care and hand and body creams there. So it kind of goes with that theme there. I've got a few extra backstock things here. Hand lotion, body lotion, and hydrogen peroxide. Of course, I've got my cleaning caddy here with the stuff I need for the bathroom only. And of course, this here basket with extra toilet paper, which I use a lot of in my bed and breakfast. Well, if you've made it this far, then I thank you very much for watching to the end. And hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you in the next one.